I found this piece on Facebook Marketplace for $20. It is a Lane Acclaim two-tiered side table. The bottom says Lane. It is also a pretty shoddy paint job. It looks like spray paint, which means it should be easy to come off. I'm always asked why I clean first. Well, 1, to be sanitary, 2, to better see what I'm working with, and then 3, I forget 3. I bet some of that is the black paint though. Yuck. Paint stripper, I am using this one. I'm going to take an old paintbrush. Just using my brush to get the legs, which are gonna be a pain to get. It didn't really bubble the way that I thought it would. Really need to scrub. Yesterday I got most of the black paint off. Today I am going to sand. I'm going to start with 120 grit. Vinyl sealer went on yesterday very well. Today, I am going to apply a little bit of medium brown toner. I somehow forgot that I needed to paint these little feet black. So here's where we started. The piece was covered in black paint, severely neglected. There was some blue paint on the top. It had gouges. It just was severely neglected and it needed a little bit of love. And so are you ready for the after? Here it is. This piece I'm extremely happy with. It is restored back to what it looked like in the first place. It does have a few imperfections. Honestly, I feel like that kind of adds to the character of the piece.